Well, we got another package. All right, let's check it out. Look at doggy. Welcome back to another unboxing or unbagging video. Today we have something from Army and Outdoors from New Zealand. Feel free to check them out. A large variety of items, Army and Outdoors. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. Let's figure out how we can get this bag open. I'm thinking some careful scissors. Let's start from this direction. Okay. And let's empty this out. See a manifest. Okay, so let's see if I can get the logo into view here. Army and Outdoors. And they typically now give the description, item numbers, and a sample picture to help with identification, which is good if you have numerous items of today. So let's try not to drop too much of this stuff off this platform here. Start off with this is easy. Right on the top, I see British Army Desert Belt Large, 120 centimeters. So looks like synthetic material in the canvas style, web style. Looks like you can actually take Alice clips with this old style of loops here, the long loops. Plastic buckle and adjustable. Inside you can see the rivets. Let's do a quick magnet test. Non-magnetic. On this side, looks like our sliding loop, are sewn together. And we have reinforced end here. Another sliding loop. Not the same size as this one. It's a little bit smaller, just a slight touch reinforced there. And I think we just saw a label and a 34 written on there. 2010 belt trousers, large desert. Looks like NSN numbers. Okay, so our desert belt, British. Next up, let's try not to lose those small items. Trying to see what this is. I believe this is a radio pouch. Let's go ahead and get this out of the bag. Since I still have this in my fingers. Non-magnetic. See a little bit of elastic loop there. Buckle within there. Small buckle. Snap pouch molly. So you got two kind of compression straps in case your radio is a different size. And you see the air gaps there to help with cooling in case your radio gets warm. Molly straps on the back with the snaps. Again, compression straps that are sewn on, so they're captive. All right, so that should be the British Desert DPM radio pouch dash khaki, if I'm reading that correctly. Next up, Looks like we also have an British Army MTP radio pouch. You see it's a slightly different setup. Still has ventilation on the sides, as well as these elastic cords to hold down. And we also have this side hook latch loop area here, possibly for antenna or cord to your microphone, etc. Help loop that around. Radio navigation module pouch, MTP. You can see also this red here. I'm curious to see how this would look on infrared, because this is hook and latch right there. Set that down with the other pouch. Alright, let's see what some of these other items are. This is large here. This appears to be French Camo Flak jacket, large, extra large, 105 centimeters. I don't feel any padding inside, so this is just the cover itself. And it appears to be in that French woodlands CCE pattern. See your label, 1998. Care guide. And the zipper area for the inserts. That will be the back. And it continues across over to the front. The stops there. Got our waist connectors. That means these will flip around to here. Like so. Likewise on the other side. And then these can all be adjusted from all sides with these here. Hook and latch for rank, name tag area, as well as card type ID or additional, say like coalition IDs. A little pouch there, either as MTP or possibly additional plate. So, French Camo Flak jacket, large, extra large. Let's see if we can narrow down here. This looks like the British MTP shovel cover. Looks like 3 buckles there. Carrier and trenching tool case. This with this other stuff here. Let's see, get some of these other large items out of the way here. And this, then by process of elimination, should be British MTP LMG 100 pouch. So 100 rounder LMG belt pouch. Grommet at the bottom for drainage. Likewise on the shovel cover. The radio covers all have that side ventilation. Let's see, the label here is under the molly straps. Let's see if it goes easier this way. Nope. Ooh, these are really on there. Let's see if that loosens it a little bit. A little side twist. No. Okay, so let's see if we can read it this way. Osprey Mark IV MTP pouch LMG 100 round. Okay, we'll work on that. All right, and then last few items here. Let's go with these. Greek Army Ripstop Lizard Camo Trousers, large, 96 centimeters. So I know these tend to run a little tight. Here we can see actual Greek label. 96 handwritten on there. And size medium. button fly. Let's see if I can get a light on here for Ripstop. Let's see the Ripstop material a little bit better. Okay, so 4 buttons only on the fly. Does that mean a very short inseam possibly? Here, let's take a quick look at the knee area. Due to the overlap, this is a little bit thicker. Looks like drawstring, aglets at the bottom. And those are our cuffs. Getting a laundry aroma off of the pants, which is nice. Let's take a quick look at the cinch areas. So we got those little loops there. Slightly magnetic, but not a lot. Here's our belt loops. They are thin. And are they symmetrical? Nope, there's one in the middle right there. Reinforced seat area. You can see here, the rounded. And pockets, slash pockets side. Ooh, they are very tight. They're like sock puppets. You can see that. That is not a very large pocket, but it is same camouflage material, as you can see on the inside here. Since I'm at the rear pocket, 2 buttons. And symmetrical. Cargo pocket, 2 buttons. A lot of bellowing, so that's good, but not at the bottom. It just goes across the front and one side. The outer side, the inner side is not bellowed. So, Greek Army lizard camo pants. Very nice. And last but not least, we have an Austrian Army 3-hole web belt. So, looks like we got one of these. And let's see here. That. Got your connector. Interesting. And I guess to take it apart is that twisting motion that you have to learn. The connecting area is magnetic. So even though it does have this kind of coppery finish, that's all magnetic. These aren't. Those are. The whole 3-hole area are. It's like we have a couple of loops added on here, some elastic cord. That's plastic, but that is magnetic there. All right, let's see what else we got going on here. All right, that should be it. So we're gonna have to consult. Oh no, one last item here. If I can get this open. Okay, it's a East German cap badge large. So this is the one-piece version. The enamel there. See the mold work or stamping. All right, so East German cap badge large. Okay, continuing here, after contacting customer service, Army and Outdoors went ahead and sent this follow-up package. So let's go ahead and get you out of the way. Thank you. And let's see how we can get this portion open. I'm just going to use scissors. And let's see if we can edge of the bag. So actually what happened here is they actually also highlighted the item in question and went ahead and included that right here, wrapped in bubble wrap. All right, so this would be the second of the Austrian Army 3-hole web belt, 110 centimeters. So again, summarizing the plastic buckle. See the emblem there, 3-hole style. And I'm not going to try to snap it together. There is a trick to it because you can see with the compression and friction how it would snap into place. Well, actually, it's easier to put together and take apart, but there is a little bit of a little technique like that. So for your reference, you can see here the retention clips are also plastic, but the ends are some sort of plated metal. Okay, so they are magnetic, and as well as the 3-hole points. Yep. So completing the order, 3-hole belt. And to re-summarize again, just reading down, we had British Army Desert Belt Large, 120 centimeters. East German Cap Badge Large. British MTP LMG 100 pouch. British Army MTP shovel cover. British Army MTP radio pouch. Greek Army Ripstop Lizard Camo trousers large. British Desert DPM radio pouch khaki. French Camo Flak jacket 105 centimeters. And again, 2 of the Austrian Army 3-hole web belts. These all came from Army and Outdoors. Large variety of items. This has been another unboxing as well as unbagging video. Feel free to check out other unboxing videos on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do a selection of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos of more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.